when we were doing our pre-convo before the jam, Richie kind of asked, well, is the search bar a good replacement for Marmalead then? Because I can really get the same information from the search bar. And no, not really. I would say engagement score is more important than search volume. And you really have no sense when you're using the search bar of how much something is searched, right? Like, yes, I know when I type H, these things are more often searched than the things that aren't showing in this list. But how much more? I don't know. If I type B and I get a bunch of other keywords that come back, are those searched more than the H keywords that came back when I typed H? I don't know. You don't know, right? It's kind of one of those things. It's like an indicator that something's happening more, but you really don't have exact information. And inside of Marmalead, we'll actually show you the search volume breakdown for the different keywords. So.